Coach, how do you manage your time? Alam mo, that's a wrong question. Because the truth is, you can never really manage time. Masasabi mo ba sa oras na tumigil ka muna at masyado na akong busy, masyado na akong overwhelmed? Hindi mo naman talaga kayang gawin yun eh. Therefore, tips to manage your time will always be wrong. Why tayo ang nag-a-adjust sa oras? Ang oras, hindi yan titigil. It will just continue to move. It will just continue to grow. It will just continue to go forward. Therefore, the right question to ask is, how do I manage my commitment? It is never really about time management. It is about commitment management. Ikaw, gusto mo kumita ng milyon? Ang tanong, pang-milyon ba yung quality ng effort mo? Pang-milyon ba yung trabaho mo? Kasi kung pang-minimum lang ang trabaho mo, wag ka nang umasa.